So you are using adblocker, and every time you try to open YouTube, it gives you this pop-up where you have to either allow YouTube ads or try YouTube Premium, which means you have to buy their premium plan. But let's get rid of this quickly. Go to this website, ublockorigin.com. It's a simple and free extension. Just click get uBlock origin and it will automatically detect your browser. So it doesn't matter which browser you use, it's there for everything. So we click this, it takes us to web store. From there we just have to click add to Chrome, add extension. It will take a while before it loads. That's it, it's already added. Now go to YouTube, open any video, and you won't find any ad blocker pop-up. See? So this is how you can get rid of this annoying ad blocker pop-up for now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.